Welcome to our Globe TV as a breaking news. Exposure during pregnancy to two common liquids found in e-cigarettes, even without nicotine, can affect fetal skull development, according to a new study in mice. Researchers exposed pregnant mice to a mix of the liquids responsible for vaping's characteristics, throat sensation, and vapor. Offspring from mothers exposed to a particular ratio of these compounds were lighter at birth and showed narrower faces and shorter skulls compared to other test groups. The results were unexpected. Not only was nicotine absent, but the chemical mixtures linked to these changes was a formulations promoted by the e-cigarette industry as a safer alternative to older product blends. This had no nicotine and it is still having effects on the development of the skull in our model, which was not anything we expected, said lead study authors James Gray, professor of anatomy in the Ohio State University College of Medicine. The research was published recently in the journal PLOS One. Carey's developmental biology lab has long examined how prenatal exposure to nicotine affects the development of the head and face. In a 2020 study, the team reported that nicotine delivered through breast milk caused skull abnormalities in mice, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. About 3% of infants are born each year with a birth defect, with craniofacial anomalies such as cleft lip and or cleft palate being among the most prevalent. In the current research, the team aimed to develop a baseline model of comparison of animals exposed to nicotine-containing vape aerosols in utero. Pregnant mice were exposed either to filter air or to two common e-cigarettes, humectants. They are liquids that carry other substances at different ratios, 50% propylene glycol and 50% glycerol, also known as vegetables glycerin, or a 30-70 mixture of propylene glycol to glycerol. Gray explained that propylene glycol has been associated with enhanced nicotine absorption in e-cigarettes, prompting many companies to increase glycerol content in newer formulations in an effort to market them as safer. Behind this exclusive report, Glory Globe to Delhi, Bharat.